Alright, so I'm currently parked outside of Walmart. Just left work. It is 9:37 on Friday. I'm about to get ready to leave for Atlanta, Georgia. Actually, in a couple hours, like 2 hours, I'm heading to Georgia for my cousin's wedding. So I wanted to just share my experience with prep, and I thought what better way than to start it than how I am traveling on prep, and sharing how I'm staying on track and staying on my meal plan and traveling with my food and, you know, all that, workouts, hotel workouts, and everything. So that's pretty much it. I meal prepped my food yesterday and Wednesday, and now I'm just kind of getting ready to go, and I'll show you my meals along the way. I don't really need to explain everything step by step because you'll see it in a minute, but yeah, so I just stopped at Walmart to get these sparkling waters that I like. They are called Clear American. You might have heard of them, but they're the best sparkling waters that I've ever had in my life. They're so good. There's so many flavors, and they're just all around a good time. Also, one thing I had to pick up was Oreos. I'm still far out enough that I can squeeze in an Oreo every once in a while. So these are the peppermint bark ones. They're the brand new seasonal flavor, and I've been looking everywhere for these things. Literally, it's been I don't even know. It's been an ordeal to get these, and I just happened to find them in this Walmart when I'm not even looking for them. So I got 2 boxes, and one of them is gonna go in my freezer for post-show, and then one of them I'm gonna share with my friends and eat. So yeah, stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun little trip. Okay, so I'm sitting here in the light of my refrigerator at 4:30 in the morning because I just wanted to go over all of my refrigerated foods that I'm bringing this weekend and how I have it set up. So this is all of my meals that need to be refrigerated. So I have them all separated by day. This is extremely extra, and you don't have to go to this level of organization, but it's just who I am as a person. So I have them set up Friday, Saturday, and then in each of these bags is smaller bags that say you can see it says meal 6, add peanut butter. So I have 3 meals in these, one for each day that I'm traveling, and then I'm just bringing a carton of egg whites to keep in the cooler, and my guac packets, as well as some sugar-free Jell-O containers to have as snacks if I need something, because I like to snack when I travel. So that's gonna be probably the most difficult part about this, is not snacking and sticking, to all my meals. But that's why I prepared for this. So I feel since I've put in so much time into preparing for this, I'll feel bad if I stray, because I'll be wasting the time that I used to prep it. So that's it. I'll show you the dry foods too, I guess. So this is pretty much everything else in this bag. All of my dry meals are in this bag in a bag, a bunch of bags in bags in bags. So I have this that has all my dry meals. Excuse my dirty dishes. So I have, these are all my meal 2, and meal 1 is in here too. It's got oatmeal and chocolate chips, and then my post-workout meal, Pop-Tarts and protein. So that's all my dry meals, and then I have I just am bringing like a backup rice packet in case I need it, my peanut butter, a bowl in case, well, hopefully I'll find microwaves, but for me to heat up my food. And then what I did for vegetables is just get this these cans of green beans, and then I'll have one every day instead of like prepping a bunch of vegetables. I just have those that I can use every day, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so there's like no good light in this gym, but I don't want to like scream because I'm in the hotel gym and it's like 11 o'clock at night, 11:15. So we just got to Charlotte in North Carolina, and I am getting my workout, and my mascara's clumpy. I have chest and triceps today, so yeah, the work doesn't stop just because life happens, because you have to travel for a wedding. So here I am getting my workout when I've been awake for quite a while and haven't eaten for a little bit. So I'm just doing some quick supersets, and then I have 15 minutes of cardio on the treadmill. It's not a bad gym. There's some dumbbells, there's one bench, and then there's these two little cable attachments. So I did a superset of bodyweight dips and dumbbell presses, and then I'm gonna do tricep extensions with the cable, and then some incline presses, and then there's this little chest press thingy that I'll probably do that too. And then I'm gonna do my cardio and probably throw in some push-ups and maybe some bench dips, and then I'll be done and off to bed, and then I'm coming back right here for back day tomorrow in the morning. Morning, it is Saturday. I've got my breakfast. I'm gonna go get some hot sauce. Got my oatmeal, and my egg whites are microwaved in here.